Hey Chalkers! Fall is a time of Thanksgiving, a time to reflect on blessings, and a season to appreciate what you have. This month's Club Couture shipment will be sure to have you feeling grateful for beautiful home decor, among other things, of course. This month's Club Couture envelope comes with everything you see here, the exclusive B-sized Grateful Transfer, and 3 paste single packets, Shimmer Olive, Papaya, and Camel. Okay, I've got a 9x12 palette sign and all my tools, so let's jump in. To start, I'll prep my transfer by removing the backer and sticking it down on our fuzzing cloth. This picks up some lint from the fuzzing cloth and gentles the adhesive on the new transfer. It helps avoid stretching your design when you go to peel it off. Now I'll center it on my box frame and smooth it out. Make sure to get your transfer well pressed down with no bubbles or wrinkles. Now let's get our paste ready to use. I'm prepping my Shimmer Olive paste packet by kneading it to make sure it's well mixed. Then I'll just cut it open and squeeze them into my color tray. Then let's just repeat that with both Camel and Papaya. Okay, now that everything is prepped, let's get chalking. I'm starting with the flat end of my multi-tool and loading up some Camel paste. I'll be applying that to the very thankful sentiment and some of these small line details. The flat end of the multi-tool is perfect for getting paste in those tight areas. Now I'll load up one of my mini squeegees with Papaya and chalk Grateful. Make sure to get any excess paste off before moving on. This will help it be a smooth application when the transfer is peeled off. Once that's all covered, I'll use my last mini squeegee to load up some Shimmer Olive paste and apply that to the border. I'm pulling in towards the middle with all of my strokes to help avoid getting paste into areas that I've already chalked. Alright, now that half is covered, let's peel the transfer back halfway and let it dry. This is what we call chalk and pull. Peeling your transfer quickly helps keep the paste from drying on the screen and becoming patchy. Alright, we're good to go back in and finish up the design. I'm going back in with my multi-tool and Camel paste to chalk Incredibly Blessed. Doing this the same color as Very Thankful will help the project feel balanced from top to bottom. Then let's finish everything else off in Shimmer Olive. I love this color for all things fall. It's such a subtle green and pairs so well with the warm orange autumn palette. And the shimmer really just brings the whole thing to life. This palette's really working in such a subtle yet stunning way. And now that my screen is covered and I've gushed over this project enough, let's see the reveal. This project turned out beautifully, really something to be grateful for. But don't forget to think outside the oval and use just the word grateful, or add the wheat stalks to other projects for a cornucopia of sweet reminders of all the things you have to be grateful for. Happy chalking!